Hi everyone. If you are a budgies lover, this video is for you. We all make common mistakes with our budgies. We need to know which food is good for budgies and which one is not. Sometimes we give that food which is not good for their health. Some foods and liquids are, like poison for budgies. 1. Avocado. 2. Chocolate. 3. Onion. For your budgies, good health tries to avoid that food. Take care of your budgies and gives them healthy food. Don't forget to like and subscribe and love your budgies.